Today is April 1st, 2019, and today's gonna be a special day, and you know why? Because every day is a special day. So we are here in Yosemite Valley. It is like our first day here. I'm gonna push you guys to the beginning of the weekend, of the day actually, before I show you guys anything else. Bye! Alright, so welcome to our Airbnb for today. You can see we have a gazebo, a pond, a yard, trailer, a pretty tree. Hi baby. Found a random meadow spot. Now we decided to just camp here. Look at that beautiful view. What is that?
Salami and cheese.
Salami and cheese. Hi baby, I got you something. Sit. 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 Speak. 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 Good boy. High five. High five. Good boy. Sit. Bless. Speak. Speak. Double. Speak. Rico. Loser. Cheers. So it is officially our second day, full day here in Yosemite. We made the drive back from our Airbnb all the way back into the valley. And what sucks today is that it's gonna be super rainy, it's gonna be soaking, it's gonna be super wet, so it's gonna be hard to try and find a hike that is easy to do in the rain. What's really cool is that we get to see the park, what it looks like when it's rainy and cloudy compared to yesterday, which was dry and kind of sunny. So we're doing the first hike of the day. This is our second day here in Yosemite. We're now just putting on our hiking shoes. We're gonna hike all the way up there. Yay! So right now we are on our way to Bernal Falls Bridge. Bernal Falls, the top of it is actually 3.4 miles. Hopefully we don't have to go all the way up there. Right now it is currently hailing ice, and we're taking a break under the tree so we don't get pummeled by ice. Hi baby. Hi baby. So right now we are trying to get back down from the fall, but we just got hit by some fog and it makes the mountains look really, really pretty over here. Just taking a break to take pictures. Doing so good. Clear the path for us. Oh, he's cleaning it up. Okay.
Oh, good job.
Good job, baby.
Yeah.
So right now we just ended one of the harder hikes we did today because it was raining really hard. Now we are just cleaning up Adobo, getting the mud and the dirt off of him. So right now we're back at the tunnel view, which we were at yesterday, but it's now rainy and foggy, which means it's a completely different picture, but it's still beautiful though. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. So that was our second day at Yosemite, and tomorrow we wake up early to go leave and go down south, back home. It is now the next day and we are ready to go back on the road.
It's now the next day and we're ready to go back on the road.
What's that right there? So now we're making a quick stop in Merced at a place called Fruta Loca. I read on Yelp that they have these like unicorn elotes. So I'm excited for that.
Who's excited?
Who's excited? Adobo's excited, except he's not able to go in, so. Wow, wow, wow. Wanna go for a walk? Look at this, it's a PS4 joystick.
Here.
Yay.
Here.
Go play. Play with him. So we are finally back in Southern California. We are in Santa Monica right now. We grabbed some food. Thank you, Rico, for the food. It's really nice. Vegetarian.
Caveman food.
So what was it? That is the end of our Yosemite Sequoia national trip. We all relaxed. We went to the forest. We came back very different people. So thank you for watching and have a good whatever. Help.